Hello students, a hearty welcome to Global Online UGC Net and Set Exam Preparation channel. Please let me know if my voice is audible. Also let me know if we can start with the session. Students, please confirm if my voice is audible to you all. All the students who are live. So I want to inform you that we have started our new series for mathematical reasoning from today. So this is the new unit that we have started, students, and this is the first lecture of this particular series. Okay. So our first lecture is based on number series. Number series. In this session, we will be looking at the types and concepts of the various types of number series that can come in the examination. As you all know, it is a very important topic because you can expect directly one question from this particular unit or topic, so to say. One question is definitely asked in UGC NET examination from number series. Okay, all the students who are live. Yeah, Shelly. Good evening. We'll wait for some times for others and then we will start. Okay. Yes, good evening. Thank you, Shelly, for confirming. Okay. So before starting with the session, I would also like to tell you that we have started our new batch for UGC NET 2022 from 24th of March, students. So today is 14th of March. Today we have started mathematical reasoning. No, there is no negative marking in UGC NET. Okay. And Shelly, on Sundays we have off. We don't have lectures on Sunday. Okay. So here in our new batch, we will be taking up daily live lectures, and these lectures will be from Monday to Saturday daily at 9 p.m. Okay, so we'll be completing your entire uh, syllabus through theory as well as through MCQs, and our target is to help you achieve 75 plus marks in paper 1. So with our lectures, we also provide you complete study material. So our course is available at the Global Online app. The link is present in the description box as well, students. Okay, and the fees for the same is 1999. So you can also contact this number for any queries. The fees is 1999, but if you join before 20th, there will be instant 20% discount, and you can get the same course at 1600 only. Shelly, I think the connection issue was not from your side, it was from my end. Okay. So, is it clear now? Is the screen visible? Any problem related to blurring and all? And one more thing, students, this is our app, Global Online app. So, here we have our course for, as I told you, the course you can get here. So, here in our course, you can get free demo lectures, there are demo notes and demo mock test, and here you can see we are giving at a discounted fees of 1599. And also you can, this is a mobile application, but you can also view the same on desktop as well. So this course is available on desktop as well, and we provide you the complete material. In that, students, if you download the app and go to UGC NET paper 1, then you can go to mathematical reasoning, and we have put a test. Okay, this is the screenshot. Should you just change the quality of the video, and others also change the quality, go to make it 720 pixels, and the screen will be visible clearly. Okay. So here this is an evaluation test for you. Today I will be teaching you number series, which is a part of mathematical reasoning. Okay. So here the number series, I have put up a quiz for you. You can attempt this test and see. This is absolutely free, students. Free. This is a free test. Anyone who wants to see um, how much they have understood number series, so you can attempt the test and find out. Okay, so it will be a very good practice and I would recommend you to do right after the session. Okay, it will not take more than 10-15 minutes and you will be able to do it. Okay, so let's start with the types of series. As you all know, there is one question in the examination, in the UGC net examination paper 1. You can see mostly they ask you one question from number series. So there are various types of number series that we have, students. Like there is something called pure series, differential series, direct series, mixed series, twin series, pair series, previous number calculation series, and double difference series. So these are the different types of number series, and if you know the concepts, then you can definitely or very easily apply the same in the examination. Okay, it will be very simple for you. Let's see how this works and what are the different types of series. So if you talk about, students, pure series, in this type of number series, the number itself obeys certain order. Okay, so certain order is there which it obeys. That is your number series, means the series with which you can just look at the series and find out the answer. That is called your pure series. Okay, like if you look at the series 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and 12. Okay, so this is so simple series. This is a series of even number. Okay, even numbers are those which can be divided by 2, right? So if you see this series 2, 4, 6, 8, and 12 is a even number series. So what will come in the question mark section for first series? Here, if this is 2, this is 4, this is 8, 12, 10, 12. So here 14 will come. Why? Because they are taking only the even numbers in this series. Right? If you look at the second series of these 5 series, the second one is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, and question mark. So here you see these are different odd numbers are there. Okay, 3 is a odd number, 5, 7, 9, 11. What will come over here? This is a series of odd number series. Okay, so here it is following odd number. Odd numbers are those which are not divided by 2. So that is a odd number. Okay, let's see the third series. This is 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, and question mark. So if you look at the series carefully, you can definitely see a pattern. What is the pattern? It is 1 square, 2 square, 3 square. So what is the square of 2? It's 4. The square of 3 is 9. The square of 4 is 16. The square of 5 is 25. The square of 6 is 36. So here 36 will come. So this is a square series. Perfect square series. Okay. The number series from which you can just look at the series and find out the answer. That is your square series or pure series. Okay. So this is an example of, yeah. The fourth, 1, 8, 27, 64, and question mark. If you look at this series, the fourth number series, it seems to be the cube of 1, the cube of 2, the cube of 3, the cube of 4, okay, the cube of 5. Okay, so what is cube? Whenever you multiply one number 3 times with itself, it becomes the cube. So 2 into 2 into 2 is 8. 3 into 3 into 3 is 9. 4 into 4 into 4 will give your 64, and 5 into 5 into 5 will give you 125. Okay, so this is an example of cube series. If you look at the fifth one, here you see 2, 3, 5, 7 and 11. So students, this is not following any pattern, okay? Here if you look at this, this is not a even, not odd, not a square and not a cube series. This is an example of prime series. So prime numbers are those numbers which are divided by 1 and by itself. So those are prime numbers. Okay, like 2 can be divided by only by 2 and 1. 3 can be divided by only 2 and 1. The same way, the prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. After 11, 12 is not a prime number and 13 is a prime number. Here with prime number, something struck my mind, so I thought of sharing it with you. The numbers which are divisible only by 1 and itself, it is called prime numbers, and the numbers who are divisible by more than 1 and itself, it is called a composite number. Okay, here like you see here, after 11, 13 is a prime, but 12 is a composite number because 12 can be divided by 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6 and 12. So these are the so many numbers can be divided by 2. Okay, so this number is called a composite number. Students, why am I telling you all these things? Because in UGC NET, you see, they can ask you even assertion and reason question. What? Assertion and reason. And in that question, they can ask you what is a prime or what is a composite number. That is why I am giving you this information. Okay, because you never know what NTA asks you. They can surprise you with different type of questions. In mathematics also, they have been asking you assertion and reason, because we usually know that assertion and reason is asked in your logical reasoning, but NTA can do anything and they can ask you assertion and reason from mathematics as well, right? Now, different series. So different series or differential series, it's very simple, students. What you have to do here is, if you see 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. If you look at this series, it is so simple. There is difference of numbers. 3 and 6, how many difference are there? There are difference of 3 numbers. The same way, 6 and 9 has 3 difference. 9 has 12 has the difference of 3. 12 and 15 has 3 difference. The same way, 18 and the next number will be 21. Okay, there is difference of 3. If you look at the second number, 2, 4, 7, 11 and 17. So this is an example of consecutive series. Okay, here you see how many differences is there. The difference of 2 is there. 2 and 4 and 2, there is difference of 2. 7 and 4, there is difference of 3. 9 and 11, there is difference of 4. 11 and 16, there is difference of 5. And 16 and the next number, there is difference of 6. So here the right answer will be 4, 5, 6. It is going to be 24. Right? If you look at this series, 2, 4, 7, 12, 19. Okay. So here, students, these are consecutive number series. Okay. Consecutive. What is the meaning of consecutives? Consecutive means one after the other. Okay. Consecutive numbers are there. If you look at this series, 2, 4, 7, 12, 19, what number will come over here? Okay. So if you see 2 and 4, the difference is 2. 7 and 4, difference is 3. 12 and 7, difference is 5 over here. 9, 19 and 12, there is difference of 7. So you see, there is difference of what? There is difference of prime numbers. Right? After 19, means after 7, which is the prime number? The number is your 11. Okay, 11 is the number, 11 is the prime number. So here will be 30. Yes, Shelly, very good. It will be 30. If you look at this series, there is difference of 2, difference of 2, difference of 2, difference of 2. This will be 24. Okay. So in this series, there is difference of 2. If we see this series, 1 and 2, there is difference of 1. Okay. 2 and this, how much difference is there? 4 difference is there. 6 and 15 has difference of 9. 15 and 36 has difference of 16. 31 and 56 has difference of 25. Then 56 will have the difference of 36. Okay, what is the difference? There is difference of perfect square. Okay, so 56 plus 36 is how much? 9. Okay, 92. Sure, it's okay. You are not late. We have just started. So it's only 10-15 minutes. You can still join. So the last series has 92 as the answer because there is difference of perfect square. How can we write 1? We can write 1 as 1 square. We can write 4 as 2 square, 9 as 3 square, 16 has 4 square, 25 has 5 square. So 36 will be the square of 6. So 56 plus 36 will give you 96. So this is an example of different series that there is difference between the numbers. Okay, two numbers, every two number has difference between them. So this is an example of different series. If you look at the third type of series, it is direct, ratio or geometric series. So here this series, the series in which directly you can do like division or multiplication is kind of your direct and ratio or geometric series. So here if you see 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. Students, what number will come over here? If you look at this series, 4 divided by 2 is 2, 8 divided by 2 is 4, 16 divided by 2 is 8, 32 divided, or simply I could say multiplication is a better way of saying. 2 into 2 is 4, 4 into 2 is 8, 8 into 2 is 16, 16 into 2 is 32 and 32 into 2 is 64. So this is kind of your direct multiplication. If you look at this series, there is, you have to find what will come over here. Then you have 180, 30, 50. Students, in this question, I would highly recommend you to go from right side because multiplication is faster than division. If you see, 5 into 6 is 30, 6 into 3 into 30 into 6 is 180. So 180 into 6 will be the right answer over here. Okay, how much is that? 6, 0, 40, 8, 6 are 48. Okay, 48, 6 1 is 6, 1080. Okay, here the answer will be 1080. So 1080, 180, 30 and 5. Simple, right? Now if you look at this series, 64, 32, 16, 8 and 4. So if you can see, it is directly divisible by 2. Okay, what you are doing is 64 divided by 2. Okay, 32 divided by 2, 16 divided by 2, 8 divided by 2, 4 divided by 2. You will get your answer as 2. Right? The right answer here will be So this is direct ratio geometric series. Now, if you look at the next type of series, the next series is mixed series. Okay, what is their mixed series? Because you see, in this it is not directly, difference is not there. There is directly you cannot solve it. Here there is some pattern which is followed and you have to find out the pattern over here. If you see this, what 2 into 2 plus 1 will give you 5. Okay, 2 into 2 plus 1 gives you 5. Okay, 5 into 2 plus 1 gives 11. Okay, 11 into 2 plus 1 gives 23. How? 22 plus 1 is 23. Okay, the same way you have to go and on and on. The last one is 95 into 2 plus 1. 95 into 2 is 190. 190 plus 1 is 191. So this here, the last one will be 191. This is an example of students mixed series. Now, if you see this, 5 into 3, let me do it over here. 5, I am doing this one, okay? The second one I am doing, students, over here. 5 into 3 plus 1, 16. Okay, this will be 16 into 4 plus 1. 16 into 4 is 65. 65. Okay, then 65 into 5 plus 1 will give you 325. Then this will be 325 into 6 plus 1 will give you 1950. So students, what I am trying to tell you over here, what they did is just multiplied with the same number and added 1. Now here what they are doing, first they are multiplying it by 3, then by 4, then by 5, then by 6, and then they would have multiplied it by 7. Okay, so that is the series that they have followed. Now, if you look at the third one, 5, 4, 7, 20, 79. So in this series what they have done is 5 into 1 is 5 minus 1. Okay, this is 4, right? Then what they have done is 4 into 2 minus 1. So 4 into 2 is 8. 8 minus 2 is 7. Then they have done is 7 into 3 minus 1. 7 into 3 is 21. 21 minus 1 is 20. Now 20 into 4 minus 1. 20 into 4 is 80. 80 minus 1 is 79. Okay. 79 into 5 minus 1. What will it be? Let me do. 79 into 5. 9 5s are 45. 35, 39. So 395 minus 1 is 394. Okay. Yeah. Good evening, Anu. Good evening. Everybody got it? Everyone is clear? This is an example of mixed series. What they are doing is they're multiplying as well, students. They're dividing as well. Okay, so multiplication and division both they are doing in the same series. Then this is an example of your mixed series, right? Shall we move on to the next type of series? Okay. Now comes your twin series. Okay, twin series, or you can also call it alternate series. Okay, alternate series. So here the series is 1, 7, 3, 14, 5, 21 and 7. Okay, so here students, if you see from 1, 3, alternatively this series is working. Okay, Om Prakash is asking me to explain the last question. See Om, The first one is 5. Okay, what you did is this number, the next number is a smaller number. So what I did is 5 into 1 minus 1. 5 into 1 is 5. 5 minus 1 is 4. Then I did is 4 into 2 minus 1. I will get 7. Third time what I did is 7 into 3 minus 1. 21 minus 1 is 20. 20 into 4 minus 1 is 79. And the third is 79 into 5 minus 1. So 79 into 5 is 395. 395 minus 1 is 394. Okay, Om, shall we see the next question? Okay. So twin series we were solving. Okay, so Om is asking me to solve 16, 65 and 325. Okay, so here you are saying that somewhere problem is there over here. You are saying 65 into 5 plus 1 is giving 326. Yes, we can do that. It's very simple. Okay, 65 into 5 is 325 plus 1. Okay, so you are saying, okay, write it. So there is some mistake in the question. It will be 326 over here. Thank you, Om Prakash, for pointing it out. Otherwise, others will also get help. Okay, now what we will do is 326 into 6. So if you do that way, 3, this will be 1956. Okay, so 326 into 6 plus 1 is equals to 1957. Okay, that means, but you okay, even if you have marked this or pointed out, it's very good, but our main motive is for you to get an understanding. Okay, so the main point over here, the is for you to understand that, yeah, 1957. Okay, now students, if you see the twin series, so twin series is really important. If you see 1 7 3 5 7, so here this is going, it is so simple, 1 and 3. So this is, so difference of 2 is there. 2, this is difference of 5. Okay, if you see this one, 7 into 2, 7 into 3. Okay, 7 into 4. 7 into 4 will be 28. Okay, so here this answer will be 28. So here alternatively you had to solve it. The relation is between 1, 3, 5, 7 and this number. And here it is, the relation is between 7, 14, 21 and 28. Right? Very good. Yeah. Now if you look at this series, this is also so simple. From minus 5 to 5, 10 is there. Okay. Means you have to add 10. Now 5 and 15, add 10. 15 and add 10 to 15, you will get 25. Add 10, 20, 10 to 25, you will get 35. Okay, 35 is the answer over here. If you see this one, this is 10, 20, 40, 80. So here what they are doing is they are multiplying it by 2. Okay, 20 into 2, 40, 40 into 2 is 80, and 80 into 2 is 160. Right? Now if you see, 28, 32, 23, 39, and 14. Okay, so here in this series, what they have done is, so here there is, which one, Shreya, you did not understand? Which question you did not understand? Please tell me. This one, 137 or minus 5, 10 or 15. Which one you didn't understand? Here, what they are doing is, this one, fifth, which one? Answer is 50. You're saying answer is 50. Okay, here is 10, 15, 25. Okay, this is very simple, Shreya. Okay, this one you are saying. Okay, third answer is 50. Okay. Yeah, minus 5 plus 10 is 5. Yes. So what we are doing is, we are just adding 10. 10 over here. Okay, that ways. Students, can you hear my voice? Okay, now this is the series. Can anyone tell how to solve this 28, 32? Okay, 28, 32, 23, 39, and 14. How to solve this one? Shelly, are you asking how to get minus 5 plus 10? How we are going to get 5? Are you asking that? If you are asking that, whenever you are writing like this, if you see these numbers, so we can write it 10 minus 5. You can take 10 this side and 5 this side. So this will be 10 minus 5. So you will get 5. Okay. So in this series, if you see here, there is 5 differences there. Okay. Here if you see how much difference is there, 9 differences there. Okay, so we'll leave this. Here if you see 32 and 9 is how much? It is 7. Okay, and if you take 11, okay, so here if you take 11, it is going to be 50. Okay, prime we are adding. Prime number we are adding. Okay, how? 5, 9, then the third number will come. Here in 32, add 7 here, then add 11, you will get 50. Right answer will be, let's see, pair series. So here pair series, what happens is, in pair series, two numbers together they form some pattern. Like 2 and 6. What is this? 2 into 3 is 6. 15 into 3 is 45. Okay. 50 into 3 is 50. The same way 30 into 3 will give you 90. Okay. What is the pair? These two pairs are formed, means 2 and 6. 15 and 45. 50 and 150 and 30 and 90. Okay. Simple pairs. Now if you see these two numbers, 200 plus 2 is 202. 100 plus 2 is 102. 50 plus 2 is 52. 25 plus 2 is 27. So here this will be pair series, means 2 number pair you are forming. Now if you see this series, this is quite a different series, and ask which question you want to me to explain. I am marking this over here 1, 2 and 3. For pair series, is there doubt regarding pair series? Which one are you asking? Please tell me. So 42. Okay, till we wait for us, I'll explain you this one. 42, 2, 82, 4, 84, 2. So what will come over here? Okay, so here actually students, here 63 is there. You have to find out what will come over here. Okay, so 4, if you take this part students and divide it by 4, means 4 divided by 2, you will get 2. The same way here 8 divided by 2, you get 4, right? Then again 8 divided by 4, means this 8 you have to divide by this 4, you get 2. The same way if you divide 6 by 3, you get 2. So here this series, the right answer will be 2. Okay, so you got what is the relation over here? 42 you are writing. 4 divided by 2, you get 2. Okay. Now, since one student is asking twin series, last question. Here, the series is 28, 32, 23, 39 and 40. If you look at this series, students, in this series, here it is 28, 32, 23, 39 and 40. 28, 39 and 14. What is happening over here is, first, if you see the difference, 28 and 29, the difference is 5. 23 and 14, the difference is 9. So you don't have to care about this number because this number has the relation. I will write it down separately. 32, 39 and you have to find out this number. So if you see, this is a part of twin series. So 32 and 39 has this is like a 7 differences there. Okay, so here if 7 is there, then next could be your what? The next prime number after 7 is 11. Okay, so here this is a difference of prime number series. Okay, alternate matching is there, means 39 and then there 39 is combined with 50. So the relation is 32, 39 and 50. Okay, right? So shall we see the next question? Okay, so a pair series, everyone understood how we got it. What you have to do is find out relation between two consecutive numbers, means the difference of pairs you have to find out. Okay, that ways here 82 divided by 4 by 2 is 4. 8 divided by 4 is 2. 6 divided by 3 is 2. Now if you see previous number calculation series. So here in this series students, what is happening? Previous number calculation. If you add these two numbers 1 and 2, you will get 3. If you add these two numbers 2 and 3, you get 5. If you add 3 and 5, you get 8. If you add these two numbers 5 and 8, you get 13. If you add 13 and 8, you will get 21. Okay, 21. Right? So this is previous number calculation series, means two numbers you are adding. Previous numbers you are adding to get the next term. Now if you see 1 and 2, then 3 is there. Okay, so here I think 1 and 2 is combined to form 3. Okay, So if you see this 2 and 3, so 2 and 3 gives 5, not 6. Okay. So here in this three numbers you have to add 1, 2 and 3. When you add, you get 6. 6, 3 and 5 you add, you get 11. 11, 6 and 3. 11 and 6 is 17. 17 and 3 is 20. Now these three numbers I have to add 20, 11 and 6. So I will get 37. So previous number calculation series students, it here in this series you have to either add two numbers or three numbers. What you have to do is either add two numbers or three numbers. Like in this series I was adding 1 and 2, 2 and 3, 3 and 5, 5 and 8, 8 and 13. That ways here two numbers are added. Here three numbers you are adding. Okay, got it everyone? Is it tough? Now if you see odd number out, so odd number out, this is also a very nice question because I have seen this type of questions many times in net as well as in set examinations. Okay, right students? So 1, 4, 27, 16, 25 and 36. Here in this question, these type of questions, what they do is they ask you, okay, Arsh is asking the 82 to 84. Okay, I'll go back for you. So this is pair series. See, here one number is 42, the number then is 2, then is 82, then is 4, then 84 again, then is 2, then is 63, and this is the final number that you have to get the answer. Here what you have to do is this 2 you have to divide it by 4, means 4 divided by 2 you will get this answer. Again in 82 you have to divide 8, means this number by this number. Okay, 8 divided by 2 you will get 4. Again you have to take this number 8 divide by this number 4, so you will get 2. Again for this 63, what you have to do is take this 6 over here divided by this 3 over here, so you get 2. So 2 is the answer. There is pair, means there is relation between two numbers, right? Which question you are not understanding, Ashwini? Pair series, previous number calculation series. Okay, whenever students the screen is not clear what I have told you, change the quality to 720 pixels. Okay. Now if you take the odd number out series. Okay, odd number out series is, this seems to be the square. Okay, the square of 1, the square of 2, the square of 4, the square of 5, the square of 6. But if you look at 27, the square of 3 is actually 9. So the odd number out is, the answer here for first one is 27, because it should be actually 9, because 9 is the square of 3. This is like the square of 1, square of 2, square of 3, square of 4, square of 5, square of 6. Okay. Okay, previous number series calculation. Okay, I'll explain. No worries. The numbers are 1, 2, 3, 5, 8 and 13. In this series, what you have to do is, first you have to add 1 plus 2, means these two numbers you add to get 3. Now what you do is 3 plus 2 you get 5, means this 3 you take and this 2 you take. Okay, these two numbers you take. The third time means 5 you add it with 3 you get 8. Okay, 8 you add it by 5 you get 13, and 13 you add it with 8 you get 21. So two previous numbers you are adding. Okay, means 1 and 2 you add once, then you add 2 and 3, then you add 3 and 5. Two numbers you are adding to get the answer. For this series, you are adding 3 numbers. Means 1, 2 and 3 you are adding to get 6. 3, 2, 3 and 6 you are adding to get 11. Okay, then 6, 11 and 20 you are adding to get 37. Okay, let's move on to odd number series. Now, if you look at this series, 100 divided by 2 is 50. Okay, 100 divided by 2. 100 divided by 3, you get 33.33. Okay, 100 divided by 4, you should actually get 25, and 100 divided by 5 is 20. Okay, I will explain here. 100 divided by 2, you get 50. 100 divided by 3, you get 33.33. 100 divided by 4, you should get 25. And 100 divided by 5, you should get 20. Okay, so in this series, students, what you have to do is, you have to divide 100 by, yes, Arsh, you are right. 1, 4, 27, 16 and 25. In this series, you have to find the odd number out. You don't have to complete the series. You have to find the odd numbers. If there is a series given and the question is find the odd number from the below series. So what you will do is you will find a relationship between the series. Here it is a series of square. So it should be, the third number should be 9. Okay, it should be 9. But it is not 9, it is 27. So the right answer is 27. Okay, you have to find the odd number. In the second series, 100 is divided each time first by 2, then by 3, then by 4 and then by 5. So when you divide it by 4, you get 25, and here 25 is not there. There, instead of 25, there is 22. So answer is 22. So in this series, the odd number out is 22. Okay, in this series, what you have to do is you have to find the odd one out. Right? Now, if you see double difference series. So, what is double difference series, students? Yes. Here there is difference of 2 is there. Here there is difference of 4. 4 is there. Okay. I'm so happy, Shelly, that you are liking it. So every day we are going to bring such type of sessions. Okay. Yes. So here if you see, Shelly, first there is difference of 2 is there. Then here there is difference of 5 is there. Okay. Now here what is the difference? There is difference of 10 is there. Okay. 10 is there. Now here if you see, it is actually 43 over here. Okay. Sorry. This is, students, it's 43. So 27 and 43, how much difference is there? 17 is there. Okay. So here, now students, why are we calling it double difference series? But because directly you are not getting the answer. When you look at the difference between the two numbers, first 9 and 11 is 2, then 11 and 16 is 5, then 11 and 26 is 10, okay, then here is 17. So here first time that there is 2, now comes 5, means here if you see these have difference 5, if you see this has difference 3, here is had difference 5, here you have difference of 7. Okay, now here you will have difference of 11. Okay, so 11 and 17 you will get 38. So 43 plus 38. Sorry, it's not. So here it is 3, it is 5, here this is 7. Students, it is a different series, so here 9 will come, okay? 9. Why? Because here odd number is going on, 3, 5, 7 and 9. So 27, 17 plus 9 is 26. Okay, 26 and 26 plus 43 will give you 69. Okay, so this was a little confusing question, students. I would like to explain it to you again. Yes. So here what is there? There is difference. First is difference of 2, then difference of 5, then 10, then 17. But in this series also there is again difference. What is the difference? First it is 3, then it is 5, then it is 7, then it is 9. So 17 and 17 plus 9 is 26. Then again you add this 26 plus 43, you get 69. Okay? Difference of 9 is there, right? Now, if you see this series, here there is difference of 4. Here you have difference of 9. Here you have difference of 13. Yes, 13 difference is there. Then there is difference of 16. Now you don't know what will come over here. What if I do, if I write this over here, 4, 9, 13, 16. So here you see what is there. There is difference of, first there is difference of 5, then here is difference of 4, then here you have difference of 3, now you have difference of 2. So here this will be 18. Okay, 18 will be coming over here. So 48 plus 18 you have to do. What you have to do is 48 plus 18. So this will be 66. So this is the second question answer is 66. Okay. Now if you see at this series, how much difference is there, students? Here 13 difference is there. Okay. Here there is difference of 20. Here there is difference of 26. Here there is difference of 31. Okay. Now if you see this series, first 13 and 20 difference is 7. Okay. Now 20 and 26 difference is 6. 30 and 31 difference is 5. Then 31 and the next term 765, here it will come 4. So this number will be actually 35. So 101 plus 35 will give you 136. Okay. The last number of different series, the last answer means is 136. So there is double difference. Students, not just difference is there, double difference is there. Next, miscellaneous series. So here this type of series, they are not following anything. Randomly they are coming up with conclusions. Okay. So here if you see 4 into 1, 4 into 1 plus 0 gives you 4. Again 4 into 2 plus 1. 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 into 3 plus 2 gives you 29. Okay, then 29 into 4 plus 3 will give you how much? 30 into 4 is 120. 120 minus 6 is 116. So 119. Here the answer will be 119. Okay. Now if you look at students second series. This 5 minus 1 gives you a 4. Okay. I can write 5 into 1. We can write 4 into 2 minus 1 gives you 7. 7 into 3 minus 1 gives you 20. 20 into 4 minus 1 gives you 79. And 79 into 5 minus 1 will give you how much? Let's do this. 79 into 5. 9 5s are 45. 35 and 4 is 39. So 395 plus minus 1 is 394. Okay. So here the answer will be 394. Shelly, we are going to be, I will be taking up more of BE mathematical reasoning classes now. So she'll be taking up soon, but not in next 10-15 days. Okay. Now, there are some of very simple questions that I've taken. Let's see this. What will come in the place of question marks? So 4 and 3, 7 and 12, 12 and 19, then 28. So here, can you solve this question, students? What will come in the place of question mark? So here there is difference of 3 is there. There is difference of 5. There is difference of 7. Here difference of 9 is there. Now we are going to have difference of 11. So our answer is going to be how much, students? It is going to be D, 39. 28 plus 11, 39. Right? Next question is, what will come in the place of question mark? So this is 1957, 121. What will come over here? Square of 1, square of 3, square of 5, square of 7. Then this should be square of 9. So square of 9 is, oh. So here the right answer is going to be, students, actually 81. Okay. This is not the right answer. The right answer is D. Okay. D is the answer. Means the square of 9 is 81. 9 into 9. Right? Let's see the next question. 6, 11, 21, 36 and 56. So you see 6 and 11, how much difference is there? You have 7. Okay. No, it is going to be 5. Then you have 11. Then you have 14. Then you have 20. Okay. 6. Okay, it's going to be 81. Can you tell me how it is 81? See here, if you see, it is 6 and 11, 5 difference is there. 11 and 21, 10 difference is there. 15 difference is there. 15. Here the difference is 30. So here it is going to be 35. 35 difference is there. So 56 plus 35. It is actually coming 9. Let me see some calculation error from my end. Students, is it coming 91 or 81? 56 plus 25. Okay, sorry. I'm so sorry. Such a blunder here I've done. See, like this. I'll just erase it again and then. So here you see that there is difference of 5 is there. Difference of 10 is there. Difference of 15 is there. Difference of 20 is there. So here you are going to have difference of 25. So 56 plus 25. Okay, 7, 8. So the right answer is C. Right? Everybody got it? Why 81 is the answer? Yeah. So students, this was the last question of today's session. I hope you liked it. Okay. How was the session? Please let me know. How was the session? So did you understand whatever was taught? Students, we have put the evaluation test. Again, I am telling you. Here is the evaluation test of number series and letter series on global online app. Okay, where it is present, global online app you can download from Play Store. There you can see this evaluation test. It will help you to understand whether you have understood this particular topic or not. Okay, most welcome, Shelly. Okay, most welcome. So tomorrow we'll be taking up letter series, then we'll be taking up coding, decoding. So mathematical reasoning has got many topics, and we'll be covering each and every topic. Okay, from time and work, pipes and systems, everything we're going to be covering. Okay, so do attend the evaluation test and see how much you're scoring. Okay, I will be asking you tomorrow. Right? So see you in our next class. Take care. Bye.